everyone, Icy Cherry here. So today I'll be opening a package from Guess. So not long ago I bought three pair of jeans from Guess.com, and they were like very cheap, like they were around 50 bucks each, Canadian dollars. So like they're usually $100 each, so it was a very good deal. I'll be showing the ones I bought, and I'll be trying them on if you're interested in seeing that. So yeah, it cost me $164 for 3 pair of Guess jeans, and they're usually $108. Like that, some of them are $89, but most of them are $108 in Canadian dollars, all the time, always. Every time I make videos, it's always in Canadian dollars. So it's the first time I order from them. A little note. Thank you for your purchase. We truly value each and every one of our customers. You are the reason we do what we do. Enjoy your purchase and let us know how we can better serve you. Paul Hariciano, I think. So yeah, we got the little Guess logos. Okay, so I'll keep the kind of special one for last. So see, $108. Sorry if it's backwards for this. Okay, so these are soft burgundy pants. So we got the Guess logo. It's like a silver. Oh, you can't see much, right? Ah, that's okay here. So that's a silver logo. So here you go. Those are the pants. Man, I should have done the opposite. Like, you can't really see because of the light, right? Okay, there it's better a little bit. So these ones. So they're high-waisted. This is the old logo. I think it's just like sewn there. It's like a material, it's not a metal one. And for last, I thought they were special because I've never seen or heard of jeans like that before. Look at this. It's called ombre. I don't know if you heard of it, but I didn't. So it's white and then it goes to pink. I was really excited to try those on. So here they are. And this is another logo, but this one is kind of leathery. It's not real leather probably, but I hope so. But yeah, it's like beige. So let's try these on. I love the metal logo that they started to make. It's really cool. It makes them look like more, they're a bit big, I think. Like it's more like better quality. That's what I wanted to say. So these are 28 because this. I think I could use 27, but it's okay because I'm larger here. Here it's often too not tight enough. So I hope you could see it better. I'll try it this way. Let's do it this way. Sorry for all the bags on the floor. So this on the if you can see. There's a lot of stuff going on the bathroom floor. I like them. They're not like jeans like really hard jeans like Levi's, but they're pretty cool. I love them. So I'll be putting it back here. So I've heard of Guess Factory after, but I already bought like stuff from the Guess.com shop. So it's really cool because, of course, they're older model, but I mean, if you want to have Guess and you can't afford to pay $100 or more for them, like $50, like some of them, because I got them on sale, they were like around 50 something each, and then if you bought 2, you got a little discount. If you bought 3, you got a little discount. So I think I got 15% off. So they were even cheaper. Like some of them were 50, some of them were like 47. Yeah, this one's way too big. Oops. Well, I mean, I could wear it, but can you see here? It's a little too big. That's what happens with high-waisted, because I'm smaller here and I'm bigger here. So yeah, that's what happens. So here they are. I've got little destroyed places. So here they are. Try to show the bottom. Oh, sorry. There and there. Little goo. I love that. Maybe if you, sometimes people put shirts in. I could put my shirt in and then put like a coat. Because when you have wider hips, if you put like just the shirt like this, it looks bigger. So I'll just put it on here. Yeah, so it looks bigger. If you just have a shirt like this and then, you know, you have nothing else, it looks even worse. Because like it's all tucked in and that's the only thing you can see is the hips. But if you have like a jacket that covers, like it's fine, you know. I don't know about their return policy, so I don't know if I should sell them or like if let's say it's too big and I really don't like it. I don't know if I should sell them or return them. Because, you know, if you have to pay for shipping, ship them back and then get your money back. It's and I didn't pay a lot of money, but I mean, I don't know if I would do that. So here are the, so I forgot to tell you, these are cropped at the bottom, so they're like, you know, when you only have this part here, you can put it with sandals or whatever. Yep, so these are more like low-waisted. So here they are. I don't know how I feel about them. I don't know if I'll sell them or return them. These I could wear with a belt, of course. So, yep, here they are. They're cool, but they, you know, they do this here and all over. Maybe I should have bought 27, but you know, when you don't know